The first newspapers on the internet appeared around 1995. Since then, they have been the social media that experienced the greater growth. The online versions of newspapers worldwide are quickly taking the place of their paper versions. To start with, we will go over to the characteristics of internet users according to their activities. Creators. They use services such as YouTube, Flickr, Blogger, uploading and sharing their creations on the internet. These users' ages range from 14 to 27. Joiners. They take activity part in social nets such as Facebook, Twitter, Photologs, etc. Young people between 18 and 27 represent 70% of this social net's population. Critics. These users read websites, leave their comments, reviews, scores, but they do not have their own creations. Here, the ages range from 18 to 50. As we can see, there is a great variety of users that can actively participate in the net. What should be then provided is the necessary technology that encourages and makes participation easier. Comments on the newspapers. When a user visits a newspaper, they choose it due to having a similar set of beliefs, a similar social class, or interest for information. The user-reader knows that, just like them, there are other users that have the same kind of beliefs and interests and that they are reading the same contents. If comments and interaction among users are the basis of what is known regarded as a community, when a user comments on another user's comment related to a shared topic, the online paper is being used as a kind of community, even if the media does not encourage it. Having this in mind, Looppa developed a powerful platform of social networking, with nets totally integrated into online newspapers, so these users relate to one another, providing them with all the necessary tools to achieve a successful interaction among users, media, and contents. Solutions and advantages offered by Looppa for the development of communities for online newspapers. Nowadays, online newspapers have their own public. However, through new means of participation that keeps the interests of existing users, new public can also be attracted, and a new kind of business can be approved, profits getting higher through the participation of existing and new users. Looppa offers a platform with all the Web 2.0 tools, through which users can create their own space, upload their photos, videos, write articles, find groups with which they have things in common, etc. Looppa is aimed at assisting online newspapers in making it easier for their users to relate to one another. Readers become the producers of contents. In order to understand the functioning of our model, we will take a look at My Diario, a community developed as a trial version, where all integration functions can be seen. All the users registering the community are given their own profile and control panel, from which it is very easy to manage their content, write articles, upload photos, videos, etc. Besides, when a user of a community writes a comment on one of the newspaper's articles, its avatar will appear, containing all the information of the contents, such as number of photos, videos, and articles that they have within the community. Comments history. Each user has in their space a category that shows all the comments they have made on the different articles of the newspapers. This history allows users to visit their own space and track their opinion on different issues throughout the newspaper. This tool also increases traffic within the media, making users surf a variety of articles. These tools offer users the opportunity to increase their capacity as creators, and newspapers the possibility of increasing the traffic and the number of permanent users. The integration of the community into the homepage of the newspaper. Newspaper's homepage usually shows worldwide and local news. Looppa adds the opportunity for each logged-in user to see a web feed with all the articles written by their friends, the latest uploaded photos and videos, the newest users of the group, etc. And all this from the newspaper's homepage. The possibility for each user of having access to the different range of world news and, at the same time, the news of their own community, represents a real and qualitative advance that encourages their interest and preference of each user. As we have already said, communities are the future of newspapers. The integration between users and the newspapers will be called News Intersection Community. This can create new models of business that produce high profits. How to create new profits within the communities? 1 or 2 general sponsors, sponsors that are specific to different activities and contents within the community, sponsors that are specific to different sections within the community, video player sponsorship, traditional advertising. The way of creating new profits will be through different advertising, such as banners, video players, contents, and other commercial strategies that will attract new sponsors. These strategies open new routes and business models that will increase the profits of the media. As we have seen, Looppa offers a group of solutions that will lead to customer loyalty, the creation of new spaces of communication and advertising, and the possibility of being part of Web 2.0 development.